How do Python sets work? When you add an element to a set, Python computes a number from the element. This number is called the hash of the element. The hash is a non-random function of the element. That is, if you compute the hash any number of times, it will give the same value. After getting the hash determines the memory location where this element will be stored in the set. So you see, the hash of the element determines its storage location in the set when another element is to be stored. Python computes its hash and puts it at the appropriate location. There is a possibility that two different elements can have the same hash value. This is called a hash collision, and Python has mechanisms to avoid problems because of this. But let's ignore hash collisions. To keep it simple here, what is the advantage of this hash storage? The advantage is that if I want to check whether or not a value belongs to the set, it is extremely fast. Why? Because if I want to check membership of a given value, I simply have to compute its hash and look in the corresponding memory location. That's it. Note that I don't need to iterate through each element of the set and check. Nope. Just compute the hash, jump to the location, and check that one place. Think about just how amazing and efficient this is. It's like saying, give me a haystack set of any size. I can find whether a needle element value is present in the haystack in constant time. No matter how big the haystack, the needle remains simple to find. All thanks to the power of hashes, because they tell you exactly where in the haystack to look.